Diabetes is like one disease which we are making it to happen. To reduce the stress or to counter the stress, can you do some relaxation? You do whatever you love it. You love to listen music, or you want to do something gardening, or you want to do some watching some comedy channels, or you want to do some contact your friends or some person who you feel more comfortable to exchange some thoughts or let out your stress. Stress and relaxation is something what you're not doing routinely is called a relaxation. Physical activity, do something 15 to 20 minutes. A brisk walking or a yoga or a aerobics or a Zumba or whatever it is. Do something for 15 to 30 minutes every day consistently, which makes a lot of sense. Smoking alcohol in the long run is not good for your health. I would not say abruptly stop it. At least can you reduce the frequency, quantity, everything. Some people are taking only meat. They are not bothered about to take vegetables or fruits. See, have this sort of a change. So these are all will delay the onset of diabetes or keep the disease under control.